Hi, here's Stefan speaking from Leben und Forschen. I show you a very fast way to create stairs. I have prepared a plane. I go to edit mode and I subdivide the face in 20 divisions. Then I go to select, check a deselect, and now with the last operator here open, I take two deselected and two selected. Now I can extrude them and I select one from the long one and the last one with control, yes, so all the connected are selected, and now with control E I do an inverse selection and I um, delete the faces. Now I have the construction of the stairs. I can select them all and extrude, go to object mode, and now you see the stairs, and with some transformation in x-axis I have a stair.